Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Zelda Reacts. Today I'll be reacting to new movie trailers that are coming out in 2025, and some of them are coming out in 2026. But most of the ones I'd be reacting to said 2025, so I assumed it would be this year. Hopefully, the list of movies that I will review, I will give my rating as well. So based on the trailer, I'll give a rating. So in case the movie is good, don't come back to this video and say my rating was bad, because I will make another video where I'll react to the movie after I've watched it, just so I can see whether I still feel like my rating is up to the standard of the movie. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video and you can have a list of movies that you also might want to watch. Some of the movies might not be type of movies I would personally watch, and neither would it be for you. So in that case, just wait for the next movie that I'll be reviewing. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Share this with somebody that always asks you for movie trailers, and not movie trailers, but recommendations on movies. So hopefully we have a list of movies that we will be watching. Let's get into this and let me stop blabbering. The first movie, because I made the list, so the first movie is called G20. I have no clue what it is about. I just selected based on the thumbnail or the name of the movie, and hopefully, we'd be watching the trailer together in case you haven't watched it.
Madam President, we have a situation.
Ma'am, apprehension is minutes away.
A little much, don't you think, Mom?
Zip it. You and your brother are coming to Cape Town with us.
Why?
You know why.
She's one of my favorite actresses. Like, the first time I've watched her was not the first time. I might have seen her in other movies, but the series that caught my eye when it comes to her is How to Get Away with Murder. Like, if you haven't watched How to Get Away with Murder, I would recommend it highly. I'd give that series 10 out of 10. Amazing series, all about lawyers, and it is an amazing series. I would recommend it. Her name is Viola Davis, amazing actress, and any movie she's in, always a good movie. So
All you ever care about is work.
I implore all world leaders to join me at the G20 summit.
Come on, Madam President. Oh, damn.
is that Anthony Anderson? I mean, in case you're not sold, I think I'm sold. Two of one of the best actors and actresses in a movie together. I mean, I'm not complaining, actually. I mean, it's already catching my eye based on the actors and actresses. So let's hope the trailer, the longer it goes on, the more I'm getting sold on it.
Now we gotta go save the world.
We're 20 most powerful world leaders together. Going dark in 3, 2, 1. To the governments watching, I've taken the G20 by force. When we launch Project Deepfake, we will reset the world's financial markets. You gotta read the words exactly as written. Quick beige fox. Quick beige fox. Quick beige fox. Now we control the narrative.
Ooh, this looks like it's all about politics. So if you're into politics, do take a look at it. Looks a good movie so far. So far, so good. And it looks like Viola is gonna be a badass, so you don't want to miss out on that. I mean,
My husband and kids are missing. We have to find them. If you want to live, you'll follow my lead.
Now you're Captain America.
was quite well done.
They've got at least 5 hostages in the kitchen.
Your survival is what matters most.
I will not leave them.
Drop it!
President Danielle Sutton. You get around, don't you?
I'll get around to you too.
Mom, I can help.
Lights out.
Imagine where would you see a president be all in the line of duty? Most of our presidents, they just run away. She's badass, guys. Check this out.
Where are my husband and kids?
We're all here together.
I'm gonna get you out of here.
G20.
We get you into a comfortable pair of heels, hmm?
Do you want an honest answer?
April 10th. April 10th is when G20 will be released. And make sure you put it on the list of movies that you are hoping to watch. I will definitely put it on my list, and my rating for it, I'd give it, just because of the 2 actors in it, I would say 8 out of 10. I'd give it a solid 8 out of 10, and 8 is good. 8 means it's good, and if it's above 5, I'm gonna put it on my list. So I'm planning to put that movie on my list. Are you gonna put it on your list? Comment down below. Maybe if you like it, whether you like it or not. Maybe of somebody that would like that type of movie. So the next movie we're moving on to, as you can see on the screen, it's Friends. So Friends is a series. We all love Friends. And for those of you that haven't watched Friends, which I doubt there are people that, maybe the new generation, but Friends is an amazing series, comedy. They have made a movie. I'm not sure. I haven't watched the trailer, but I'm hoping that it would be interesting. So let's see what they have in store for us. And it's so sad. It's so sad that one of the characters passed away, and we won't be able to see him. But who knows? Let's watch the trailer. Rest in peace.
Hello, Joey. This is Phoebe. I know it's been a couple years, but I was wondering if maybe we could hang out.
Oh, and comment down below who your favorite character from Friends is. Mine is actually Phoebe. Phoebe is my favorite character. I just loved her in Friends. Maybe you guys have somebody else. Maybe Chandler was some of your favorite.
The world where we ever speak again. Okay. Bye-bye now.
It's been, I don't even know how long. Why now, after all these years?
Well, it's been 1 year ever since we lost Chandler. I think it's time.
Oh, so they already, Chandler is already gone by the time they shot this. I assume they wanted him to be part of the movie. It's unfortunate what happened to him. May his soul rest in peace. It came as a shock, especially the way he passed away. For those of you that don't know, I don't want to give too much detail, but it is on the internet. So he drowned, and there was a rumor that he took a little, I don't know if it's tablets that he took or but yeah, may his soul rest in peace, and
And we're getting together tonight.
Some of the best decisions I've ever made were at night. Let's do this! Man, is it wild to be back here. So many fun memories of the 6 of us. I still can't believe he's gone.
We're doing this for him. All these years we spent apart.
Let's make up for that lost time.
This is incredible.
This is the one we will never forget.
Ooh, I'm mean, it looks interesting. It didn't give away too much, which I like. I like type of trailers that don't give away too much, because you find trailers that basically tell you everything. You don't even have to go watch it because you already know how it's gonna end. You know the middle. If you know that, then there's no use watching the movie, right? So I like that trailer. It didn't give too much away, but I would watch it just because it's friends. It's like a little reunion. So just because of that, I'd give it 8 out of 10. It's a solid 8. Um, Besides, we miss friends. We all know we miss friends. So yeah, would be nice to see, what the movie would be about. I still don't know, to be honest. I have no clue. The look just looks like a reunion and them catching up on, what's been happening. So yeah, so if you're gonna put that on your list, do put that on your list. Solid 8. I will put it on my list. I would definitely watch it and I would definitely recommend it to you. Third movie on the list is Companion. Companion, I was actually recommended Companion and I did put it on my list already, but I haven't watched the trailer. So it was recommended, so I put it on the list so I can watch the trailer with you guys. And some of you might have watched it. I'm sure some of you have watched it because I think it was already released, just not sure when. So yeah, for those of you who haven't watched it, you're gonna see it with me for the first time. You're gonna watch the trailer with me, and we'll see whether we put it on our list or not.
There have been two moments in my life when I was happiest. The first was the day I met Josh.
I'm Josh.
I'm Iris. And the second, the day I killed him. Just
Well, I didn't expect it to go like that. I was still smiling at the fact that, she met the love of her life and then she killed him. So my smile went down very quick.
Relax. Remember to smile and act happy. Do they know? Iris, wake up.
What are you doing? Shut her down already.
What is she talking about, Josh?
Shut her down? What does she mean by shut her down? Is she some kind of robot or something? Okay, am I the only one, right, that feels like robots are gonna take over Earth? I'm not crazy. I'm not a conspiracy, theorist. I don't do theories, but I mean, if you think about it, we have so many movies that came to life. So robots, treat your electronics right. I always take care of my electronics in case they come to life. You never know the day, so don't abuse them. Just saying, just saying.
This was not part of the plan.
I didn't mean to.
Did you jailbreak your sex bot?
Wow, Josh. The days of you controlling me are over.
Are you breaking up with me?
It's not you. It's me.
Yeah, she's tied up inside, so she's not going anywhere.
Oh, he got that twisted, cause she out here.
Mm-hmm.
Eli, Iris. Shh, baby, you're on the phone.
Ooh, Companion was recommended and I'm happy it has. Oh, it was released at January the 31st, so I'm about 2 months late from watching it, so I should be not 2 months, like a month and a half. Not even a not a half. What do you guys think? I like it. I'm gonna put it on my list. I'm gonna give it a solid 8.5. It's a good movie. Looks a good movie, and I can't wait to watch it. What I'll do is I'll do a part 2 of this video. I'll either review other movies. You can also put movies in the comment section, and then I'll review it. Or I'll watch all the movies I reviewed in this video and then give my thought on it afterwards, and I would re-recommend them or not. You know, I'll give my honest opinion. I'm always honest. I'll give my honest opinion whether if it's good or not, whether you should waste your time or not. So yeah, but I have good taste in movies. I chose all those movies. I haven't watched the trailer. I saw the thumbnail and the name, but they did sound interesting. They did look interesting. So hopefully you guys put that on the list. 8.5 rating for it. Looks a good movie. It looks like it's a robot that goes rogue, basically. So let's move on to the next movie. Ooh, this movie is called Zero, and I to be honest, I can't tell you what the movie is about because I have zero clue. Oh, I have zero clue, literally.
In the beginning, there was nothing. Then zero became one.
Hello, my friend.
Who is this?
If you want to live, run.
What do you want with me?
You, my friend, will serve a great purpose. Tick tock, tick tock.
You have the same earpiece. Who are you?
Bomb number 1. Mid bomb number 2.
You two are now partners.
What?
Oh gosh, that does look interesting. It looks more like, I don't know whether it's spies went into another country and then suddenly they have a bomb on them, so they are basically getting blackmailed. No, I mean they have bombs on you. Imagine you find yourself in a situation where a bomb is put on you. Damn, man. Damn, the anxiety.
5 missions. You do what I say, I'll be monitoring you.
Can it be disarmed?
Let's get this over with.
I'm sorry.
They would not make it that easy. Come on now. So it means they would have to go on missions and do as they are told. If not, they will blow up. So, damn! Imagine finding yourself in that situation. You'll just have to do what they say. You have no choice.
Come on, man.
What the hell does he want with us?
Finish those missions. Simple as that.
What's next?
That was great.
Okay.
Great.
New mission, new chapter.
Who are you two?
You're going to start a fire that will shake the order of things to come.
Oh, I mean, that's one way to make somebody do what you want them to. Put a bomb on them and tell them what to do because they can't say nothing. I'm not giving you guys ideas. Don't even try this. Don't even try. Not for kids under the age of 25. Listen to this video responsibly. But what do you guys think about that movie? Zero. It's called Zero. I don't know what to think of it. I think I'll give it a 6.5. It's a good movie. It looks a good movie. It's just, I don't know, it's something about it. Something about it just doesn't want me to give it a 7. Maybe after I watch it, I'll review it and see if my rating changes. If not, you know. Comment down below what you think of that trailer, whether you'd watch it, if it's a good movie, if you like the actors in the movie, maybe that would push you to watch it. I recognize only one actor, the rest I have no clue who they are. I don't even know the actor that I saw that I recognize. I don't know the name, but I know the face. So, good actor. So, yeah. What do you share your thoughts about that trailer in the comment section? And I don't that one I didn't find any info of when it will be released, but check it out and see whether you'd like it. The next movie is called Locked. Like I said, I have no clue. I can't even give you a backstory on the movie because I'll spoil it. So let's watch. I also don't know what's going on.
It's Eddie. Could you spot me some cash? Oh. Yeah, I'm having a rough day too.
We've all been there with them little scratchy, hoping to win the lottery.
There you go.
My name is William. I'm the owner of this car.
What do you want?
Thou shalt not steal. That's not complicated.
Oh damn, you went from doing a good deed, giving the little thirsty dog water, to a bad deed. Damn boy. Choose your path. Which one are you going for? Clearly he made his choice.
Did you just tase me?
I want you to experience the consequences of your actions.
Let me out! 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 Hey! Help me! Ah!
Do I have your attention now? I've invested a lot of time and money into this project.
Damn, what type of devil car is that? Did you hear him scream? And the woman did not hear a single word she said. He said. And he's trying to get out of the car and it's not giving.
The walls are bulletproof. I've also jammed the cellular.
So this was your plan? To let me die?
Let you die? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Wouldn't want to ruin all the fun, would I?
I mean, you gotta give him that. He's good. He has good taste in the type of cars he steals. But don't you guys think this would be a good idea to, like, do this in real life? If everybody could do this, like, thieves would stop stealing cars. There would be a reduced number of car theft if this can happen. Please, can you guys bring some of this movie stuff to real life so we can save some lives? You know what I mean? And that car is bulletproof on the inside. Damn!
What?
I just want to introduce you to Little Taste of Hell.
Stop! Don't do this! Here, is this what you want?
I want justice.
You're done. I said I'm done!
Damn! I thought hell is, when you die, but that is pure hell. He'd never steal anything again. Imagine if they could turn this into this movie also. When they can, if they can take this idea, turn it like into a house movie where people try to break in and then can't escape the house and get tortured in the house, trying to escape and unable to. That idea, you heard it here first. So if someone steals the idea, I'm gonna sue them. Just kidding, guys. But looks a very good movie so far. I mean, this trailer, damn, it got my attention. Imagine sitting in a car. It's like you're driving it basically, because even though you're not controlling it, you see people dying on the street because they're just getting ran over. That's gonna like, oh my gosh, because you can't do anything about it. All you can do is just sit there and get he's either turning up the temperature or turning it down. So damn.
Hello, Eddie. You're in my car.
Okay, this one got my attention. This movie got my attention. Named Locked View. It's gonna be in theaters March the 21st. Make sure you put it on your list. I would highly recommend it, and I would give this movie 10 out of 10. I would, not the movie, but I'd give the trailer 10 out of 10 because that's an amazing movie, especially the concept. You thieves out there, just watch out, your car theft. Car thieves, watch out. You and your car theft. But yeah, I'd give it 10 out of 10. What do you guys think of that trailer? I like it. So far, I like it, and I'm definitely gonna put it on my list, and I give it 10 out of 10. And yeah, I'm sold. That one definitely going on my list. So let's move on to the next movie. A Working Man. Don't know what it's about. I assume it's about a working man. It's never. Some movies are never related to what the title is. Never. That's a good thing because you don't want to give too much away.
So listen, today's gonna be hard. Let's all go home with the same amount of fingers that we came.
It has my favorite actor, Jason. So I bet it's a good movie because I like any movie he plays in because he's just that guy. He's just that guy. He has aura. He has that aura.
Let's get it. When my wife passed and I left the Royal Marines, a lot of people would have given up on me. You gave me a job. You were patient with me. You, Carla, Jenny, you're my family.
Excuse me, it's not your business. I'm good, boss.
Levin, was that some military shit?
You don't talk to Jason like that. Think you get away with it?
Hey, you didn't see anything.
Just get my back if I ever need it.
Jenny's missing. She went out with her friends on Friday. The police don't have the resources to work these cases. They take a report and forget about it.
Please, find our daughter. Where's the girl?
You a cop?
You wish I was a cop.
Yo, these guys are next level.
Look at those bricks. You ain't a cop. You're a working man.
That's right. Let's play.
Damn, all I hear is bone cracking. Oh, you know this movie, what it reminds me of? Because it's a girl kidnapped and he's trying to get her back. It reminds me of Taken. Taken is still one of the best movies I've ever watched. I love Taken, and this movie reminds me of Taken, you know. So far, I'm impressed. I like it. I might put it on my list, but let's watch. Let's watch.
This isn't just some kidnapping. This is human trafficking. Remember Gunny?
Your blind war buddy that doesn't know he's blind?
That's the one.
You shot a foot to the left, I'll be dead.
I wanted you dead, you'd be dead. I will be your weapon sommelier for this evening. This is the real beast here. M14, pulled direct from Saddam's palace. Then I added a Bluetooth scope.
Where is she?
There's a special place, high rollers only. They can do anything.
Did any of you guys watch the series Reacher? I don't know if it's The Reacher or just Reacher, but it's a series. Jason reminds me of the Reacher, Like, if you watch a series, you'd like it. I actually like Reacher because he's so straightforward. He's just so serious. Sometimes he makes a joke. You wouldn't even know it's a joke because he's so serious when he says it. And it's a good series. I would recommend watching Reacher. Jason reminds me of him. Just wanted to mention that.
They pay.
Gangs, the mob, corrupt government officials, they're all involved in human trafficking. You're on the payroll too.
You killed your way into this. You're gonna have to kill your way out of it.
Food as much.
All of this is for a girl.
I'm not stopping until I bring her home. That's for slapping that woman.
That woman was my wife.
That's for slapping your wife.
What?
I like that part. That's for slapping your wife. Imagine being so confident saying I slapped my wife. Some people have no shame. Where's your shame, man?
What are you?
I'm a working man. Not sure what that question is about. Was about. Like, I'm human. What am I? Working man. Let's see when it's gonna be released. March 28th. Oh, March is treating us so well. I wonder what we've done right, because March is coming with that smoke. March is coming with that smoke. Okay, I would give this movie 10 out of 10. The only two movies that I'd give 10 out of 10 is Locked and A Working Man, because, good movies. I would highly recommend you watch it. You might be interested, you might not be, but I'd give it 10 out of 10. I would definitely put it on my priority list. And I mean, what do you think of my list? Is there any movies you'd recommend to me or to anybody? You can put it in the comments and recommend us movies to watch, and it would be amazing. And I need a drink after that. So yeah, what do you guys think about my list of movies? And like I said, I'll watch the movies and give my view on it after I've watched it. So don't worry. If you haven't watched it by the time I've watched it and by the time it's released, I would share my views on it and whether you should waste your time or if it's worth your while. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll be reacting to more trailers. If you have any recommendations, put it in the comments and I'll react to it and give my rating, and I'll be as honest as I possibly can be. And yeah, I enjoyed this video. I enjoyed watching trailers and putting, at least now for March, I'm sorted. But most of the movies are coming out at the end of March, so you'd have a full month of April where you'd have a lot of movies to watch. So yeah, what more can I say? I've good taste. I've good taste. And if you already had this list of movies on your list, then you have good taste as well. So yeah, share your thoughts about the movies, give your rating, and see you in the next video. And yeah, see you in the next video, and hopefully you guys like this video, subscribe, comment down below, and share this video with somebody that always asks you for movie trailers and basically is too lazy to go search up trailers. They could just watch this video and see what it's about, and there you go, made life easier for you. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload, and peace out.